Good morning. We start our chapter 15, probability. What's probability? In daily life we use some words. It may be rain. We get India win the match. Suppose India win the match 50-50 chances. Chances, probably. These words are not certain for event, for experiment to happening the event. It may be rain. That means rain will come today. It may be rain today. That means rain come today or not come. Here we say this by our past experiments, past observations. We say that it may be rain. Then these statements are not certain, not perfectly correct. It may be true. It may be true or wrong. Here I know he will pass in test. Suppose he will pass, then it is not sure. We assume these statements are numerically stated. It is called probability. Some most important. It is so easy chapter, and in standard 10th, chapter 15 is also probability, and it is connected with it. And its question are objective questions or subjective, but it is so easy chapter. The empirical or experimental. What is experimental? Probability PE of the happening of event E is defined as what? What is event? Suppose I toss the coin. I don't know. It may head or tail. Coin has two sides. One side we say head and tail. When we toss coin, we don't know what is come upside. Come upside tail or head. Then it is written in numerical. It's probability. This experiment is called E, and event is probability. Event is called E, and probability of E that's denoted PE. This event, suppose I thrown dice. You know dice. What is dice? We play. There is 6 numbers on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we throw dice in snake and ladders game. What will come on upside? We throw dice. It will become 1, 2, or 3, 4, 5, or 6. Any number will 1 to 6 come upside. Then this event is called A. Then its probability is called PA. Here, like what is experiment? We do this event. This experiment is called event. Probability of PE of the happening of an event E is defined as follows. PE is equals to our formula. Number of trials in which the event happened upon the total number of trials. Number of trials in which the event happened upon the total number of trials. Suppose we toss the dice. We throw the dice. Then how many events? Total number of trials? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of trials is equals to 6. Number of trials in which the event happened. We get 1 upside. on upside, then we get 1 on side. It is how many times we get number 1? Then suppose we toss number 1 upside only one time. It is trials in which the event happened is equal to 1. Therefore, probability of this event is equal to 1 upon 6. Number 2, how many times we get? 1 time. It is 1 upon 6. Second number, we take, for remember, don't write, but write formula. You write here PE, PA, PB. Our experiment is as follow: PA, probability of event A, probability of event B. Then it is here PE, probability of event E, PE is equal to number of trials in which the event happened upon the total number of trials. Otherwise, you write here the favorable outcomes of the trials upon total number of trials. Next number, the probability of an event lies between 0 and 1. The value of probability lies between, probability of values lies between 0 and 1. Inclusive 0 and 1. Include between 0 and 1. Inclusive both 0 and 1. Value of probability is 0 between 0 and 1 and 1. Then the probability of an event lies between 0 and 1. Next number, the probability of all possible outcomes of a trial, then sum of all possible outcomes is equal to 1. We remember this statement, the sum of all possible outcomes is equal to 1. Next number, probability of happening an event. Happening event, that means the event happen, plus probability of not happening of an event is equal to 1. Probability of an event plus probability of not happening of an event, the sum of two events, happening and non-happening, is equal to 1. It is denoted mathematically, happening event is equal to P. Not happening event is equal to PE bar. It is called PE bar. Then PE plus PE bar is equal to 1. Probability of happening an event is called here PE or PA or PB. Plus not happening of an event is called PE bar. Bar, that means not happening, is equal to 1. This is mathematical statement. Sum of probability of happening and not happening is equal to 1. Next number. The probability of an event which is sure to happen is 1. Which event is sure? The sun rises in the east. It is sure. In winter, in summer, in rainy seasons, sun rises in east, not in west. The sun set in west. It is sure event. Then the probability of an event which is sure to happen is 1. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. It is a sure event. We don't say 2 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 plus 2 is equal to 2. But 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. It is a sure event. Therefore, sure events, what is the value of sure event? It is 1. The probability of an event which is sure to happen is 1. The probability of an impossible event is 0. Which event is called impossible? The sun rises in the west. It is impossible event. Impossible event, its value is 0. The sun sets in the west. It is possible event, sure event, therefore its value is 1. But an impossible event, its value is 0. Last, probability of an event is never negative. Probability of an event, value of probability of an event is never negative. Its value lies between 0 and 1. Sure event, probability of sure event is 1. Probability of impossible event, its value is 0. Sum of all probabilities of all events is equals to 1, and probability of happening an event plus not happening an event is equals to 1. And formula, values of probability lies between 0 and 1, inclusive 0 and 1. And probability of event, we write formula PE is equals to number of trials in which the event happened upon the total number of trials. You write this formula in answer solution. PE is equals to number of trials in which the event happened upon the total number of trials. Here we learn 5 main things. Value of probability of an event lies between 0 and 1 and 0, inclusive 0 and 1. Sum of all probability. A sum of all events, a sum of probability of all events is equals to 1. Possible outcomes of a trial, then probability of all events, not E1, E2, all events, not, but probability of all events is equals to 1. Probability of happening event and not happening, PE plus PE bar is equals to 1. PA plus PA bar is equals to 1. We know this formula. PA plus PA bar is equals to 1. Suppose PA is equals to 0.34, then find PA bar, not happening A, not happening. Then PA 0.34 plus PA bar is equals to 1. PA bar is equals to 1 minus 0.34. PA bar is equals to 0.66. The probability of sure event is 1 and probability of an impossible event is 0 and probability of an event is never negative. You know, you write down all the points in your notebook. In this chapter, we learn about coin, dice, cards, deck of cards. We played the cards, 52 cards. Then it is sum, extra sum. I take extra sum about this in this chapter. Okay, write down all the important points in your notebook and then we calculate our question. Example 1. A coin is tossed 1000 times with following frequency. Head is equals to 455 and tail comes 545. Compute the probability of each plate. Here coin is then coin is tossing one time, 1000 times. Toss how many times? 1000 times. In 1000 times we get head and tail. Head gets 455 times and tail gets 545 times. Find probability of each event. Let total trial of event is equal to how many trials of experiments of event? Total trial. How many trial? 1000. Or here write total trial is equal to 1000. The event of getting head is equal to A. Is A. We call here getting head event is called A, and the event of getting tail is B. Here we say two events A and B. Total trial of event is equal to 1000. Number of trial of event A is equal to 455 and number of trial of event B is equal to 545. Here getting head, its event is called A, and getting tail, its event is called B. Then number of A is equal to 455, number of B is equal to 545. Now, probability of event A is equal to probability of event A is equal to number of getting head upon total trial. Number of trial getting head. How many? 455 upon total trials. Total trials is equal to 1000 is equal to 0.455. We write like this 455. PB, all you write here in words. Probability of event B is PB, then PB is equal to number of getting head, tail. Here number of getting head is A, number of getting tail upon total number of trial. Total trial or total number of trial equals to how many times getting tails? B, P, B. Here B, event number of B is equal to 545. 545 upon 1000 is equal to 0.545. 0.455, 0.545. This is our answer. It is so easy. In this question, getting probability of event A, that means head, is equals to 0.4455, which is less than 1 and greater than 0, lies between 0 and 1. Value of this, both of these, is not negative. And sum of these events, total events E1, PA plus PB is equals to 0.455 plus 0.545 is equals to 1.00 is equals to 1. Here it satisfies our all properties of probability. Value of probability is lies between 0 and 1, include 0 and 1. Sum of all events of trial of experiment is equals to 1. Sum of all events, probability of all events is equals to 1. It is, suppose it is sure event, then its value is 1. Its impossible event, its value is 0, and it is not negative, cannot be negative. Okay, here example number 1.